Hello and thank you for joining me, Joe Unwin, also known as FlowJo, on another PowerFX video. Today we're looking at the proper text function to allow you to convert capitalizations into the proper correct capitalization. Now what do I mean by this then? Well, let's say you've got FlowJo as an example on your screen here, all in capitalized characters. Now you can make it lower, you can make it uppercase, but how do you get the proper casing for it? Well, you can use the proper function. So I've just typed proper with capital P, open the parentheses, and then I'm using my quotation marks to pass in the text. Now, providing it's text, it's going to work. So it can be like a string or a text or whatever you're getting it from. So let's say you're getting it from Dataverse, or you're getting it from SharePoint, or you're getting it from Excel. As long as you're passing it into this and it is of text type, then it will work. Now, what's going to happen then is it's going to say, okay, well, this is one word. We're going to set the F to capitalized and the rest of the characters to lowercase. Now, this is two names technically, so it should be Flo and Joe. And if you put a space between that, then it will work. But it won't work for handling the correct capitalizations of two names merged into one, like my name, right? So let's go through some of these examples and see how it works then. I've got 4 examples today to show you, and I'll start off with a word that is all capitalized. So FlowJo, for example, let's see what outputs them. So I've got proper, I've got the parentheses opened, I've got the FlowJo passed in, and you can see here I've got a capital F, and then I've got all lowercase for the rest of the characters. So that works great. And what happens if you've got all lowercase then? Just the reverse of what we've just seen. Again, it does exactly the same thing. It capitalizes the F, and we've then got all lowercase for the rest of the characters. Well, what happens if you've already got capitalized characters in there? So I've got capitalized F and I've got capitalized J. Now, as I mentioned previously, what happens is it thinks one word is the capitalization of it. So if you have a capitalization during those words, you want to be really careful using the proper function, because it will remove the extra capital, in this case J, and you'll have Flo with a capital F and Joe with a small character. So it will change the actual characterization if you've only set them in individual locations. So be really careful of that. And then what happens is if you've got a space between the two words, you will get a capital F for Flo and space, and then capital J for Joe, and it will just put capitalizations on every single word that has a space between it. So that is how easy it is to use the proper casing in PowerFX, on Power Apps, on Copilot Studio, and more, wherever PowerFX is used. And if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below and hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and help me make more videos in the future. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I look forward to seeing you on another one.